So right now I'm going to be making chicken verde enchiladas, and so I've heated up all of my tortillas with just a little bit of canola oil, and I just fried them real lightly on both sides so that makes them a little bit more pliable and they're not so dry. I put plastic wrap down, and then I put all of my enchiladas down, and I have my mix here, and then I can just go across and do this very easily like an assembly line. And it saves a lot of time than making each individual one, as opposed to being able to get it all done in one kind of fixed swoop. Just roll it up nice and tight. If I have any leftovers, I'm another one that might be needing some. So I just fold it up. Pretty easy. This makes things a lot easier. And easy, very easy cleanup. So the cleanup is just going to be just like that, and wipe down any other spots that you have. Verde sauce, which is tomatillos, stewed tomatillos. And I recommend eating this with a little bit of sour cream. The sour cream really cuts the sharpness of the tomatoes.
And what was inside these?
This was a chicken, rotisserie chicken. I actually bought a rotisserie chicken and just pulled it and cut up all pieces and mixed it with cheese, cheddar, Mexican cheese.
Yum! Buttermilk fried chicken tenders?
Yes. Pan fried.
Pan fried. We've got the buttermilk mix and panko.
Buttermilk, panko, flour, and a little bit of eggs, a couple of eggs that I mixed in with the buttermilk.